What's on? Well, interesting week this last week. Fair few storms, good high winds, lots of rain. We're just about to have storm Ellen hit us down here now, as I imagine it is in the rest of the country as well. So not as much sailing done this week as I was hoping to have got out and done. So instead, plenty of practical stuff on board the boat, which I'll put in the video. And now just out enjoying the beautiful, stunning Cornish coastline. I'll let you watch the video. Tiny bit of sailing, said lots of practical work, lots of practical stuff, and a little bit of swimming when it's sort of calmed down in the evening. Strange how the wind just dies at night. So I'll let you have a watch, carry on my walk, and enjoy the stunning coastline as the storm rolls in. And I'll see you at the end. Thank you very much. One of the things I've noticed on the boat is that if I've got friends around, or if I just wanted to have a nice quiet breakfast out on the boat, I don't actually have a table in the cockpit. So yesterday I went round to my parents' place, cut up a rotten old teak table. It was quite a nice teak table at one point, but it's gone a little bit rotten now, been sitting in parents' garden. So given it a little bit of a cut up, I'm going to take it back to the boat, see if I can utilise some of the slats and see if I can put together a half decent table to see if I can have something that will work. Sadly, my practical ability is very much on the Winnie the Pooh basis. So Winnie the Pooh described himself as a bear of very little brains. Sadly, I'm a chap of very little ability. We'll see, might work. I could literally have egg all over my face or down my trousers, but it'd be fun trying. So I'll let you know how it goes. So Jeff's also been down today, which has been really good because he's brought down a load of bits and pieces, older buoyancy aid extension for the electrics, which is really good, plus a load of sort of ropes and useful additional solo mooring kit, which is great. But also, which has been really handy, a whole collection of shackles and bits and bobs that he's been moving from one boat to another as he's moved through his boating life, and he's very kindly given them to me of all different shapes and sizes, so I'm going to have a bit of a sort through, which is brilliant, because these are going to come in very handy. So quick sort, I think. Well, not so quick, could be a while. There's lots of them. Thank you, Jeff. My first time out in what feels like ages. It's amazing how quickly you get withdrawal symptoms. It's probably been a week since I've been out for a sail, but with the predicted thunderstorms and the winds being all over the place, and trying to do the odd bits and pieces sort of on the boat and get a few things done. So lightish winds today. It's only blowing 9.5 knots at the minute, so thought I'm just going to come out and get a couple of hours sailing in, just to feel a little bit of movement under my feet. It is so nice being able to move around the boat, knowing that she does it all for me, really. All I have to do is take part and enjoy. Handsome. So as you can see, it's been a funny old week, 10 days really. There's either been very little wind or no wind, or there's been too much, as in the case of today, sort of gusts of around about 49 mile an hour, relatively constant of around about 35, so the sea state's not going to be particularly good. It has given me a chance to get on with plenty of practical work, but hopefully next week we'll be able to get out and do a little bit more sailing. So I hope you've enjoyed this week's video. Hopefully you'll join me again next week, be able to sort of get out and do a little bit more sailing, show the boat under her paces, and yeah, hopefully enjoy, keep safe, and see you soon. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers. Oh, hot, hot, hot.